Good morning children, welcome back to the social session. In the last class we were trying to understand about the process of elections, how the entire village gets divided into the ward and what is the reservation system for the women, SCs, STs and BCs in conducting the elections. Some wards will be reserved for them and only those caste people can contest in those elections. So today we will learn about Sarpanch and Upa Sarpanch. The head of the Gram Panchayat is a Sarpanch है. So ये सरपंच के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और वी आल्सो विल रीड अबाउट उप सरपंच, उसका डिप्यूटी जो है ओके इसको डिप्यूटी सरपंच बोलते हैं, नहीं तो उप सरपंच बोलते. सो द सरपंच इज़ द हेड ऑफ द ग्राम पंचायत एज यू ऑल नो दैट एंड ही इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग ऑफ ऑल द रिजोल्यूशंस पास्ड इन द ग्राम सभा. ग्राम सभा में जो भी दे हैव टेकन डिसीशंस उसका इम्प्लीमेंट करने का काम जो है वो सरपंच का होती है. एंड he look after the day-to-day functioning of the panchayat. The sarpanch is elected directly by the voters residing within the village. It is not indirect election है. Okay, sarpanch जो है he will be directly elected by the villagers. The sarpanch is also responsible for the income and expenditure of the panchayat. पंचायत का इनकम आना और कितना एक्सपेंडिचर करना उसका पूरा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो है वो सरपंच का है. As such, the sarpanch has a lot of responsibility. And in many villages we see some active sarpanches who have updated, who have changed the fate of the village. Sarpanch plays very important role in the development of the village. So we have many active sarpanches at a very young age. Women sarpanches are there and men sarpanches are there who are playing very important role. The sarpanch and ward members will elect one of the ward member as the upa sarpanch and the upa sarpanch acts in the absence of the sarpanch. अगर सरपंच नहीं रहे तो उप सरपंच will act as a सरपंच in case of his absency. Absency बोले तो अगर वो नहीं रहे तो he will work as a सरपंच. So पंचायत क्या करती फिर इसके अलावा there is also one secretary will be there. Okay, पंचायत secretary will be there from the Panchayat Raj commissioner and he also will look after the development of the village, coordinating the sarpanch and the ward members. And what does a panchayat do? Panchayat क्या काम करती? The village panchayat are responsible for provision of public amenities. Public amenities बोले तो क्या है children? Maintaining of the roads and the laying of the roads, construction and maintenance of the drains. Okay, drains construct करना. Drains बोले तो एक कचरा वाटर चलने का मोरी रहती देखो उसको drains बोलते. And supply of drinking water, street lighting and cleaning streets, running ration shops. These all are the functions of the Gram Panchayat. And they also are responsible for overseeing the functioning of the school, Anganwadis, women and child welfare programs in the village. The Panchayat have to plan and execute the development work such as minor irrigational projects in the jurisdiction of the village. And it also should take up the watershed program, water harvesting program. पानी गिरे तो उसको percolation करने का जो watershed program है उसको देख लेने का काम भी पंचायत का है. And many land reform measures also has to be introduced in the village with the help of the village panchayat only. So several states have given more powers and functions to the Gram Panchayat today. However, in some states like Telangana, they have not given several important functions to them. Functions like some of them relate to the control over markets and control over the fairs. विलेज का संता जो है उसको कंट्रोल करने का काम भी विलेज पंचायत का होता है. एंड लैंड इम्प्रूवमेंट, माइनर फॉरेस्ट प्रोड्यूस जो है उसको बेचने का, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज एस्टैब्लिशमेंट एंड हाउसिंग फॉर द वीकर सेक्शंस, इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम्स फॉर द वीकर सेक्शंस एंड पीएचसी बोले तो प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर. गांव में एक हॉस्पिटल जैसा एक बनाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए पीएचसी. एंड डिस्पेंसरीज आल्सो विल बी मेंटेन्ड बाय द ग्राम पंचायत. Unless such functions are also given control over the Gram Panchayat, they cannot really address the problems faced by the villagers. And effective plan must be adopted in order to develop the villages. The developmental plans should be implemented in the village panchayat to be successful. Tomorrow we shall read about one of the Adarsha Gram Panchayat called as Hazipalli. And Jangama, the story of a sarpanch called as Zangama, we shall read in the next class. Until then, thank you children, take care.